Hey y'all, how's it going? It's morning, it's breakfast time, and I'm hungry. So we're gonna have something quick and simple. We're gonna have some Ooey Gooey jumbo cinnamon rolls. Let's open this thing up. Peel in direction of it. It's a nice cheap store brand because I'm a nice cheap guy. Don't have a spoon. What do I have here? I've got scrapers and spatulas. You ready for the explosion? Nuclear explosion! Okay, let's... Whee! Wasn't that fun? So we got a tube of icing substance. Okay. And this one came with some other kind of, I guess, cinnamon icing. What we'll do, I've got this down to a medium low. We'll place our cinnamon rolls. I was expecting 5, and they only gave me 4, which is okay. So, we're gonna flatten these babies out just like we do a smash burger. This is parchment paper, which makes smashing things easier. So if you have smashing to do, Hulk smash! Remember, parchment paper makes life easy. Still surprised by the 2 kinds of icing, but I'll figure it out. And we'll stick all that away. Even a little bit of ooey gooey fell. What do you think, Baja? Baja found a ball. So, you can see they're starting to rise up a little bit. That's a good thing. We'll let that continue to cook a minute. Did I mention it's 2? That's twice the work, y'all. I'm not paid enough to do all this icing filling work. It's above my pay grade. So while we're hanging out waiting for dough to rise, how's your day so far? Here it's a lovely day. The birds are singing. The wind hasn't picked up yet. I'm gonna have to build something to block the wind or something, even though I've got this, which needs painted. The wind just gets downright unruly at times. Look at that. Oh, and it smells so cinnamony. Check it out. Yum. Okay, let's put you back here. It's looking good, it's smelling good, it's cooking at a good pace where I can keep an eye on it and still talk to you and throw the ball for Baja. Baja ball. Good catch. Okay. Where were we? Baking? Yes. Baking on the griddle's fun. And this is so much quicker than the oven. And it doesn't heat up the house. You're looking at like a 40-minute process in the kitchen. Preheating the oven and throwing them in for 30 minutes or whatever it is. And about 5 minutes on the griddle. Oh, look at that. I say that we have breakfast ready. So that's all there is to it. Aren't you glad you tuned in? I sure am. Thanks for watching, y'all, and have a great day.